Hi everyone, my name is Jorgelina from Pixel Art Mysteries and Education, and I am joined today by my daughter Angelica, who is 4 years old. Angelica is going to be going into kindergarten very soon, and we've just started preparing for the summer so that she gets to learn. We're hoping that if you have children of a similar age, that you'd be willing to download these activities and have them play along with us. They are completely free. You can download directly from the link in the description box. You just click on it and it'll take you to a Google Sheets that will now be your own, and your children will be able to enjoy this activity right along with them. There's nothing else. So they just click on that link and they'll be able to follow along the activity with Angelica. So without further ado, here she is working on this pixel activity all on her own.
Hello, my name's Angelica and I'm doing an activity.
Okay, so on this one, Mama's going to tell you what to do, okay? And on this column here, this first one right here, this one?
I can't find the arrow.
Oh. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay, so on this one, you're going to say what's one number that's above. So what's one number that comes after?
This one.
Yeah, so this is, what number is that?
0.
And what number comes after 0?
1.
Yeah, so what are you going to type in there?
1.
Okay.
Boom. And enter. Wait, let me move this up a little bit.
Okay, that's it. Okay, how about this one?
Another 1.
Okay, this is the number 1. And what number comes after?
2.
Okay, so put a number 2 there. Okay, keep going. You talk through it. What are you doing?
So now I'm gonna do this one, and after number 2, it's number 3. So I'm gonna put a number 3 and enter. 1, 2, 3. What just happened?
And we got some little blue pixels. It's making a picture. Okay, you want to take a guess at what it might be?
Nope. After I'm done.
Okay.
I hope it's I was gonna do the pizza one today.
You hope it's a pizza? I don't know if it's a pizza. We'll
After
see.
3, 4, 5, 6, and here 7, and here 8. There's 9. There's no 9. Oh, it's right here.
There you go. Okay, so you're done. Those are all the one number above. So now we want to do on this side, we're going to do one number below. So what number is before 10? What number is below 10?
Let me see. 9.
Yeah.
Oh no, something happened with this.
Keep going over here. Yeah, you can see more pixels.
Well,
so what number did you say? All right.
If I want a bigger one, I just press which one again? This one. So I want a bigger 9.
No, that's for letters, baby. That's for letters when you want capital letters. We don't have capital numbers. That's just it. Okay, what's next? What's one number below 9? We're on this side. What's one number below 9?
8. So 9, 8.
Okay, so what are you going to type there?
8.
Okay, go. Keep going. No, make sure you click on it.
Bing. Oh no, that makes 8. Delete. There. What's this?
It's an email that came in. It's okay. Keep going.
I don't know what this is. Is it a snowman? What is it?
A snowman? I don't know. You gotta wait and see.
Is it a snowman? What is this?
Keep going.
Is it from Santa Claus?
I don't know. You're gonna have to wait and see the surprise.
And 7. It has a Christmas hat right here.
It looks like a Christmas hat.
Yeah, what?
Okay, keep going and find
I don't
out.
want to press. I don't want to press your letters up here.
Okay, keep going.
Wait, what are these letters for?
Nothing. Don't press them. That's what makes the activity.
I want to touch them but not press them.
Okay, but don't. Okay, keep going.
I got the hiccups.
You do. You have hiccups. What number is that?
6.
Okay, and why did you put a 6 there?
Because after 7, 6.
Before 7, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, before 7 is 6.
And 5.
5 before what?
6.
Yeah. And then?
4 before 5.
Muy bien. Great job.
Muy bien means great job.
Yeah. In what language? In what? Muy bien means great job?
Yeah.
In what language is that? What's muy bien is in what?
Good job.
In what?
I don't remember.
In Spanish.
In
Okay, keep going. You're almost there. You want to take another guess? What do you think that is?
Not yet.
Okay.
3. After 4, 3.
Before 4 is 3.
Before.
Yeah. Great job. No, hiccups. What do you think it is now? Before the big N?
I don't know.
Okay.
What? It's a big ice cream.
It's a big ice cream gnome. Do you love him?
Yeah, he's funny. Put it on my YouTube.
Is that it? We are going to put it on you. Do you want to say anything to the camera before I stop the video?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
I'll say goodbye and then hello.
Okay. Well, you're going to say goodbye. And, you got to say it.
Goodbye.
You don't want to say anything about who you are?
I did already.
Okay. Say bye, everybody. Thanks
Bye.
for playing with me.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for playing with me.
We hope you had a blast playing along with Angie and that you consider coming back next time. We are going to continue to do these hopefully on a daily basis as long as she's feeling up for it. But any one that she completes, I will post a video of her going right along with it and you can grab a copy for yourself. So let's learn, let's have fun, and let's enjoy our summer before kindergarten. Have a great rest of your day and we'll see you on the next one.